Ngayon, if by chance may kliyente kayo na naghahanap ng mga whitening products, meron tayong whitehead saka perfect white, perfect combination. Ang whitehead po in bottle form, i-shake nyo, spray under your tongue, patagalin nyo po ng 1 minute, and that will be enough time for the glutathione vitamin C to enter the blood vessels. It will flow with the blood, and within minutes again, will already be inside the different cells of the body. Fast absorption din to. Now, ano mga pwedeng mangyari? It may help lighten up your skin. Puputi. Yeah, tumutulong. It can help. Sabi nga po, doktor ka lang. Pero I would like to clarify this issue, na ang whitening effect po ng glutathione is only one of the side effects of glutathione. Kaya nga po madali siyang ibenta, madali po siyang i-promote. Why? Kasi ang habol ng kliyente mo, pumuti. Where in fact, side effects pa lang yun. Because the main function of glutathione, I would like to inform you, it's a strong antioxidant, anti-cancer, and a detoxifier, not just for the liver, but of course, for the entire body. Yun. Ganun kaganda po yan. Sabi, Dok, okay ito Sabihan mo ng perfect white. Why? Meron siyang L-cysteine peptide. Pag sinabi niyo pong cysteine, pag ininom mo yan, it will help in the synthesis of glutathione. Dok, it will help in the synthesis of glutathione. Yun ang kagandahan ng perfect white, ng cysteine. So lahat ng talab ng white light will also be seen in perfect white. Dinagdagan pa ng astaxanthin. Ano yun? May botox effect, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging properties. At meron pa siyang apple polyphenols, anti-UTI. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, these two will be the perfect combination pag talagang whitening na healthy pa sa katawan. Now, another product that I love to take every day is of course Colidus na merong omega supreme fatty acid. Best taken during mealtime. Why? Para pag kayo kumakain ng mga matatabang pagkain, matadaming kolesterol, bawas-bawasan niyo po but if ever kumakain kayo ng ganung klase ng mga pagkain or meal, okay? Isabay mo to. Para pagpasok po ng sobrang cholesterol inside your intestines, itong produktong ito will help pull the excess cholesterol and can bring it out to your poops. So number 1, it can help lower down or normalize your blood cholesterol. And number 2, can also help break down the fats to form energy that even a pregnant lady can take it once a day. Maliwanag po. Ngayon,